Our journey has been quite a long one, really. It started several years ago, and as Ian was saying, our customers were asking for the product that we were using, or products like we were using, and we were finding that the products that we were getting weren't necessarily what we wanted to sell and to offer. So we thought, we've got an opportunity here, and we wanted to create something that really resembles us and our ethics and what we stand for. So we created Home Loving, basically born from that. The journey then sort of started to take some momentum after we found a manufacturer. And again, we're really proud to say that our manufacturer is in Britain. So this is a product that is made in Britain. And it was really important that we found a manufacturer who could get on side with us, because this product is a vegan product. It's also a product that is cruelty free, so we have those accreditations. And that has taken some time to get the product and the ingredients right. So it's taken its time, but we've stuck to our guns, and we have managed to create 3 great products that really help the kitchen shine and fulfill all of those criteria.
We've also tried to push it a bit further as well with regards to them being vegan products. So the accreditation, you have to meet certain levels to hit the vegan product, the vegan branding. But we've pushed it further and looked at our labels and made sure our labels are vegan, etc. So